To share your expenses, you should create your event first. Give it a name, a category, optionally a start and end date and a currency, and then save it. The currency chosen will be the pivot currency used for all calculations. Additionally, you can also add an image representing your event. Then you should add the participants in your event. They can be added at any time. The app will be able to recalculate the shares automatically. The participants are selected via their email. You can either add them from your contact list or type the email directly. Then you should define the composition of that participant. You can keep it as one adult alone or change the number of adults and kids for a family or group for which there will be only one pair. Finally, you should categorize this participant as an administrator of the event, which will give him full access to it, or keep it as simple participant, in which case it cannot administrate the event, like adding participants, for example. Once you save your changes, the participant added will be notified via email that you wish him or her to participate. Only participants who have accepted participation will be included in the calculations of the shares. You can resend the invitation if necessary. You can start to add expenses or incomes. If you are an administrator, you can record it for someone else. You can enter the date, the merchant, and the place. For these last two, the app will give you suggestions while typing. You can enter the amount and change the currency if it's not the default one. After learning, the app can suggest you automatically the category of the expense and then the split type after selecting the merchant. Otherwise, just select the ones you need. By default, an event is created with the default split type where calculations use the composition of the participants. But you can add your own. You can learn more in a separate video how calculations can be done. Once done, save the expense. This will trigger the recalculation for the whole event. When a participant has received an invitation, he or she can accept it. Once approved, anyone can see the update in the app. You can check in the participants page that the participant is now considered valid. You can check in the expense page that of that expense have been automatically updated. You can check on the summary page the calculations per participant for the whole event. You can check on the view by category page the share, paid, or due amount per category for the whole event for you or another participant. You can finally check on the inter payments page what each participant owes or needs to receive from the others. This is an optimized calculation made by the app, specifically when there are 3 or more participants.